This deep-fried puffy noodles with salted egg yolk is an insanely tasty crispy snack.
You will need rice or vermicelli noodles. Soak in water for 5 minutes to make them easier to bend and fold. Deep fry the rice noodles in hot oil. The hotter the oil, the more puffy and crispy the noodles will be. Flip and fry the rice noodles until brown, puffy and crispy. Listen to that crispiness. Sprinkle with salted egg yolk powder or other flavor of your choice. Then shower a spoonful of powdered sugar. These crispy deep-fried noodles keep well for weeks in an airtight container. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week. Thanks for watching.